I'll give an overview of Whare Tapa Whā. It should really start by saying the purpose of it was to encourage people to develop well-being, not just fixing up a health problem, but becoming well in themselves. When I thought about these things, I thought that really what I've got to do is try and pull together 4 elements. I've got to pull together the mind, hinengaro. I've got to pull together the body so it doesn't get separated from the mind, tinana. That every person I see has got a whānau connection of one sort or another, so I had to see that as part of the solution. I had to try and look at much more of a spiritual experience that was wairua. So that's how it began to shape up. It wasn't that these were 4 separate elements, they were elements of the same thing. And the same thing is a sense of being well and healthy.